Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning top signs to teach your baby or child. Usually around 8 months old, people start teaching signs. So milk is the first one. Milk. This is with your dominant hand, whether you're left or righty, no worries. The second one is all done. All done. So it's facing you and all done. You can do both. This is how it is in American Sign Language. Then play. Food or eat is the third one. So all your fingers kind of go together. I think we're on the fourth one is help. And the last one is mom and dad. So it's with your hand, mom, dad. Again, it doesn't matter what hand you do, whatever you prefer. I hope this helps.